evaluate the different integral using substitution. So we have to integrate 1 by x minus 1 by 2x square e to the power of 2x dx. So very first time when I saw this, so what form of expression are we looking at? Integration are we looking at? So what do you think I would have thought? And what is coming to your mind? That should be the question actually. It looks something like this, right? Integration by parts, e to the power of x, f of x plus f prime of x. So when I go back to this, or when we go back to this, if I take up, say this is f of x, that is x to the power of minus 1. If I take the derivative of that, derivative of this expression, we will get minus 1 x to the power of minus 2. But we have a 2 over here, right? That's an issue. And this is 2x. So clearly we have to take care of 2x. So that is how you decide that you need to substitute t as correct. Let t be equal to e to the power of 2x. This is how you decide, not e to the power of 2x, sorry, 2x. So 2x is the problem, is it not? 2 being over there, 2 being over there, that's the problem. We'll substitute that. Let's see what happens. So first thing is we have dt, that would be 2 times of dx. Then we have, for x is equal to 1, t is equal to 2. For x is equal to 2, t is equal to 4. And so we have I is equal to 2 to 4. Then we have this to be 1, x is t by 2, so 2 by t minus 1 by 2 times of t square and 2 square, that is 4. Right? Directly write it into e to the power of t dt. So you're almost there. So 1s are 2s are, I missed a 2 over here actually. We have dt by 2 na. So this is by 2. So yeah. And if you are able to think of the math, we can cancel 2, 2 and 2 as well. Because we can take 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So all in all, we can do this. Again, if you guys are able to do it, if you're comfortable with it. So basically we end up with, this step is not required. It's only for our clarity, so that you guys have clarity, to be honest. In exam, this step is not required. Right? It's just representing what we just wrote in the above line. If not, this line is not at all required. Okay. Now, let me put it over there itself. This line is not required. So it's over here. Now, it's of the form. So we have e to the power of t, f of t plus f prime of t dt, which is equal to e to the power of t f of x, f of t actually. And so our result would be e to the power of t 1 by te to be evaluated from 2 to 4. So this is 2 to the power of 4 by 2 minus 2 square by 2. No, this is 4 and that's 2. You can further take common and all of that. E square by 4, and this would be minus 2. Okay. Yeah. That's one of the ways of representing the answer. if you're writing this line in your exam, you can have a next version of things, that is, this is f of x plus f prime of x, right? So we can represent it in this way. That can be a line. If not, you can directly jump to this, not an issue. This is how they correct, guys. They won't see all the steps. So if they understand that you know the concept, they're happy with it, and they'll check the final answer. They look at the formulas. A bit of, if we have done, they'll just glance through. That's it. You don't have to think too much about writing steps.